Hello everyone, I'm AJ Espina from BIT 112 FSMA. On this video, we are going to know the four phases bacterial growth and what is growth of bacteria. So, what is bacteria and how it grows? So, bacteria are single cell organisms that are pretty much everywhere. In the ground, on your hands, and even in your food. What's so harmful? Most are not some and even beneficial to human health. Bacterial growth is a complex process that involves risk metabolic catabolic reaction, which result in cell division bacteria. Several distinct growth phases be observed within growth group, such as the lag phase, exponential or lag phase, the stationary phase, and the death phase. This is a for growth bacteria. This one is the lag phase. Lag phase is an adaptation period where the bacteria is adjusted to their new conditions. The length of the lag phase can vary considerably based on how different condition of the bacteria. The next is exponential or lag phase. The exponential or lag phase of growth is marked by predictable doublings of the population. Conditions that are optimal for the cells will result in very rapid growth. The next is stationary phase. The stationary phase, at this point, number of new cells being produced is equal to the number of cells produced is equal to the number of cells dying off. Or growth has entirely resulting in the flattening out of growth on the growth curve. Next is the death phase. Number of viable cells decreases in predictable or exponential fashion. The steepness of the slope corresponds to how fast cells are losing viability. The example of the four phases of bacterial growth. Thank you everyone and have a good day.